Hello everyone, welcome back. I have more free presets to give away here. They'll be in the description below. They're animated backgrounds. After you download them, they'll be in generators under gradient background version 2. They're all a little different, and I'll go over a couple of them with you. They all have the same controls. Click on it. If you want to change the colors, if you don't already know, just click on the little diamond, and then you can change the color. Some you'll have to click on more than one diamond though. And this interpolation, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, will give you some different effects. I kind of like this far one here. You can bring them together, spread them apart, have size. You can do a custom angle. You got mirror and reverse. Also, a couple presets. That's an angle one. To go to the next one, you want to shut this one off. And there's horizontal. I'm just going to let it play through so you guys can see what's all in there. Also, you can change the speed. The longer you stretch it out on the timeline, you can add to this speed here. By default, it's on 2.0. So if you like the speed of it, if you extend it to 10 seconds, just double that. Or set it to whatever you like. This one right here. And I'm forgetting about a lot of it actually. If you go to gradient type, you have all these other options. And you can reverse it. You can do all kinds of stuff with these things. Again, if you want to change the speed, just adjust the style here. I'll let you guys play around with them to figure them out. You can't hurt them, so. Some of these effects are pretty cool. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.